I believe most of the small YouTubers don't take advantage of these features. I actually don't know that this exists. So, okay, I'm going to reveal to you what is the feature I'm talking about. So first is you need to go to your YouTube account and then click the YouTube Studio. And then you go to the settings area. So click this gear icon in here. I'm not sure if this is available on mobile version, but for the desktop one, you just need to click the gear icon. Next is you will see these sections in here, and I would say this will affect your YouTube SEO, okay, and also to save your time. Okay, let's start first with my favorite feature, which is upload defaults. So upload defaults can help you to save time when you are uploading videos on YouTube. So the perfect the title, we always have different titles, so I'm gonna leave that as is, but for the description I'm gonna add a default description for our upload defaults. Okay, so I'm gonna log in. Let me go to my Gmail account because I have the blurb there, and go to the I actually put it on my draft mode. So this is the description. Okay, and then I'm gonna put that on upload default. So every time I upload videos, there will be like this will be visible on all of your videos, and you can just add more informations in there if you want to. And the visibility, we wanted to make public because we want to reach more people. And for the tags, I will always put my branding because I want YouTube to know me as this brand. Okay, so that is my default for all of my videos. And also for the advanced settings, this category is super important because so YouTube will understand what your video all about. Is it a vlog video, or is it an how-to and entertainment? So my video is educational in category. Okay, and the captions, let me keep it as non-description. For that, I would say United States. Okay, English, United States. And yeah, for the monetization, let's always keep that as is. And the other one as well is for the general, for the channel option. So you need to put like what is your channel all about in general. So I'm more into dropshipping, WordPress, web development, digital marketing, SEO, and some virtual assistant guide. Okay, so this one is you need to put your country of residence. I'm not from United States, but I just tried to put there because what I want to reach are really in the US, but I'm just trying to do, some A to B testing. And then this one, more information as well that you can set up when in terms of audience. Now for the audience, I want to keep it like, because every time I upload a videos, YouTube always asks me if it is a kids channel, and let's just give it no, and this is not set for kids, so don't need to repeat these options. It will be just no by default. By the way, if you set this one as kids, you will fall into the COPPA policy from YouTube, and your channel will not get monetized. Okay, so let's try to upload a video. So I'm going to click the upload there, and let's choose a video. Probably this one, just for example, guys. Okay, so as you notice, the description is already filled in, and then you can just add information here to make my video tailored. And if you go in here as well, so it's already not made for kids. And for the tags, the default tags that I set up is already in there. Okay, if you want this video to be a YouTube short, you can just type in short. Okay, so short, and then you publish that one. So this will automatically goes into the YouTube newsfeed if you are yeah, but I will not upload this one because this is not my video all about. But yeah, but if you are confused or curious how you can upload your video in YouTube short version, then it's just the process is just the same. You just need to put the hashtag short. Also, I just want to insert how YouTube value the creators, because there is an options in here, the chat thing. So you can directly chat them if in case you have problem with the uploads or, you know, revenue thing or the stats. So you can simply chat with them and they really respond fast. And the other feature as well that I am working on is my retention rate. So I only have like 20 or 30% retention rate. I'm really struggling, to be honest. One of the factors I can't think of, maybe because I'm not a native speaker, I really cannot explain well how, you know, the process, or I speak so slow. Second would be maybe my videos is too niche for them. So yeah, that's really, I mean, I'm trying to fix or improve my retention rate. And in order for you to see like which videos that is performing well, simply go to your analytics area and then see more. And then you click this plus icon in here and then look for the end screen and elements. So what is this all about? So when you said end screen, your visitors really finished your video. And I just noticed in here, like, this is my video, one of my top videos as well. So it has lesser minutes compared to the other one that like 14 minutes. So I just noticed that my top videos has a lesser minutes. And yeah, the end screen here is shown, but there's only 5 clicks. So this is, I mean, if you really want to get found in suggested videos and browse thing. Let me check my traffic sources in here. So in my traffic sources, I mean, I don't have problem with YouTube search, but I'm really struggling with suggested videos and browse features. And if you want to leverage this area, these traffic sources, you need to improve your retention rate, and that's really my problem. So since we have talked about the cards or end cards, it's really recommended that you put or you suggest a playlist instead of a video. So this, I mean, if you can have a chance or if you have enough time, I would really recommend you guys to create a playlist. So your visitors, if they watch until the end of your video and click your end screen, they will see all of your videos related into that category. And it will improve not just your retention, but it can also improve your CTR rather, so click-through rate. And the more click-through rate you have, the more chances of winning. So it's kind of, you're giving YouTube a signal that your channel or your content is valuable because people are clicking your videos, okay? And yeah, in order to create a playlist, click the new playlist and then put a name of your playlist. So for example, virtual assistant playlist, okay? And then create. And then what's the visibility? Is it a private, a public, or unlisted? If you can notice in here, I also have a playlist means vid to tweet. So I set this one into private. So every time I watch a video that I like, so let's say, this one. So I really like to come up with this video. So I added that into vid to tweet. So I mean, I want to come up with or other version on this video because I felt it is a valuable thing. And I mean, YouTube is kind of overwhelming and it kind of burn you out, especially if you haven't planned your content. So make sure that you plan your content ahead of time, and looking for an inspiration can really help you to plan in advance.